Spectrum's Xumo DVR offers a free alternative bundled with Spectrum Internet compared to YouTube TV at $72.99 per month as of September 2025. Xumo provides live TV, on-demand content, and DVR capabilities with 100 hours of storage for 90 days and up to 10 simultaneous recordings. YouTube TV offers ad-free streaming and unlimited DVR storage, making it better for avid recorders. The key question is whether Xumo's DVR offers a viable alternative, considering cost, features, and limitations. Spectrum Xumo DVR operates on a cloud-based system, allowing subscribers to record, pause, and rewind live TV without traditional hardware. However, Xumo DVR has notable limitations. Recordings include non-skippable ads, which can extend playback time. Additionally, it's only available to Spectrum Internet customers, though this may save money compared to YouTube TV's standalone subscription. Current trends in streaming DVR services include hybrid models that blend free, ad-supported tiers with premium options, driven by cord-cutting and ad revenue growth. Spectrum is strengthening Xumo DVR through partnerships. Their recent deal with Paramount added over 20 channels, enabling seamless recording of live events like NFL games. Looking ahead, future iterations of Xumo DVR may incorporate AI for ad skipping and content recommendations, potentially narrowing the gap with YouTube TV. By 2030, free DVR options like Xumo may dominate 40% of the market. When considering alternatives, users might look at Hulu plus Live TV at $76.99 per month, or Sling TV at $40 per month. These offer different DVR capabilities and pricing models. Spectrum Xumo's future strength lies in its bundling with Spectrum's 16 million internet subscribers, providing a cost-effective DVR option for existing customers.